tobacco. You have dark blood.
Oh yeah, the dark blood. Amazing for women with period pain. Yeah.
And you have
custard apple leaf.
Custard apple leaf.
What is one good for?
Yeah. Gin, it good for.
Very good for.
Sugar.
So we have the comfrey here.
It's a comfrey.
Yeah, what's some of the benefits to comfrey?
Gin, your stomach problem.
Stomach problem, stomach issues. Oh yeah.
And you have major bitter.
Bitterwood bark.
Yeah, major bitter, baby.
Yeah.
When baby are tea.
You have a soursop leaf.
And you have soursop leaf.
Oh yeah. Me always drink soursop leaf. What good for?
No for your nerves. When the baby them worm, summer contract.
Jamaica mint, because a lot of man say peppermint, but it's not. Peppermint is a different plant. It's a mint.
Jamaica.
Good old, yes, sir. The good old rosemary.
Oh yes.
Spearmint.
Spearmint.
Say look when it good, yes, sir. Spearmint that.
Yeah.
Next up we have the basil. Some wrong pronunciation say basil, but a basil this.
Anata. And you put it in a garlic bag and you get a little oil and then you put it in a oily bag and then you fry out and then the anata seed just nice colored with your meat. You grate a coconut and boil it down and put it in there. It's saltfish and you put it on your chicken. So delicious.
I make more red, sir.
Ooh. They get one yesterday man on the work, but that one today make it too stiff.
Oh, cover him up there, cover him up. Wow. Original ground rubbish. First you'll have a bunch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The best half of the bunch.
Oh yeah.
What? Alright.
Wow.
You pay $1,000 now since you take away all of it.
These are some peach right here, just beside the guinea. It's actually guinea season right now, and peach are right beside them. Cocoa. Hey, essence.
for the purple island.
Oh, the purple. Oh, the purple. Oh. Purple callaloo. Yeah, man, some nice purple callaloo. Pop chow. Scallion.
No, man, just smell it and tell me now. Lemon balm. How much? I would love to have a lemon. Nice, man. I don't know why you don't want it. Blessings, take care, ladies. Good times.
Alright.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Blessings. So, firstly, we have the Jamaica mint. Because a lot of man say peppermint, but it's not. Peppermint is a different plant. It's a mint.
Jamaica.
Good old, yes, I am. The good old rosemary.
Oh, yes.
Spearmint.
Spearmint.
See, look when it good. Yes, I am. Spearmint that.
Oh.
Over here, so now we have the lemon balm. Come in, cameraman. Just a second, Empress. Yes. Yes, over here, so now.
Blessings.
We have the lemon balm. See it? Now we have
balm.
Yes, I am. Now we have the colon mint or cat mint. Jamaican name for it, cat mint.
Oh yeah.
Next up we have the basil. Some wrong pronunciation say basil, but I basil this. Yes, I am.
Basil.
And then St. Andrew time the further around here, so now you find the good old St. Andrew time. See it, me Jaja? St. Andrew time that. Seeing, yes,
Why
I am.
call St. Andrew time?
Because it's grown in St. Andrew.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
And it's organic, yes?
Oh yeah.
Give
Natural
a thanks.
vibes.
Natural vibes.
Now how do people find it?
The people them love it, man. Cause watch and remember when I use fertilizer, when I use spray, straight from the earth, compost, and some what we call it again, some mulch on the roots.
Naturally.
That's it, 100%.
So them want to reach out to you to get some of these plants. How do they do that?
There are many ways to do it. We wouldn't get the number yet, but just find the paradies, man. East Kirkland has to be exact. Shantytown, a big scallion farm. You can't miss it.
Can't miss it.
Yes, I am.
Natural vibes.
100%, man.
See.
Give a thanks.
Yes. I don't know why it's hot. You're not gonna stop me natural juice. Even though and this is the cherry craft, as you can see on it.
Cherry pine.
Yeah.
Hold on. Tell me that.
Yeah, this is the cherry pine.
So the turmeric
This is the turmeric.
with pineapple.
And this is the mango. Mango and pine. Oh, that's our next one.
Turmeric.
Oh.
Okay, so mango pine.
So we have mango pine, turmeric, and
With ginger.
The ginger. Ginger, right? Oh yeah, awesome.
And cherry with ginger. And pine.
And pine.
And turmeric too?
No, the turmeric. So
Okay.
what's inside it? So the turmeric and the
Alright.
pine.
Turmeric and pine.
Yeah.
Mango and pine with ginger. And cherry and pine with ginger.
Okay. All right. All right.
All right, essentially the company is Paget International. We make a wide range of products from the Moringa plant. Two categories, nutritional products and cosmetic products. In the nutritional line, we have like Moringa capsules, the tea bags, the Moringa leaf powder, three nutritional line of product, and we also have a Guinean weed. which some of the research says it's beneficial to like cancer patients and so forth. In the cosmetic lines, we have our flagship, which is a deodorant, and this is a deodorant that is aluminum free. And what it does, when you remove aluminum, because what aluminum does is that it blocks the pores in order for you not to sweat. But we have removed the aluminum and we use a modified cornstarch that as soon as your armpit gets moisture, it expands and absorbs the moisture, so you remain dry, 24-hour protection. One of the products that we have not launched yet, but we are in the process of getting it out, is our toothpaste, Moringa toothpaste. Still not launched, and hopefully we can get it out by the end of the year. But everything is here and ready to go. We have in the cosmetic line soaps, exfoliating soaps, facial soap. Exfoliating soap has oats in it that you use directly on the face and the body to remove dead skin. We have Moringa oil, 100% Moringa oil cold press, and then ear growth oil with Moringa and flaxseed. Then we have conditioner made from the Moringa also, and lotion right here. So we have the shampoo that is made from it, and here's our lotion also. I mean, this is beneficial. It also doubles like as a mosquito repellent because it's a herbal product, mosquito just stays away. But still subtle enough for it not to smell herbal on your skin. So what I am encouraging people, we distribute through to Alchemist Pharmacy and also face-to-face in Kingston and J&J Pharmacy in Montego Bay. So check out our products. Significantly also our tea bags. It's a detox. Moringa is a detoxing product. So when you take that tea bag or the powder that you can put in your shakes, you're making a significant help in terms of detoxing your body. So that's what I have. We're selling now and distributing here in Jamaica.
Amazing. And for who don't know what the Moringa look like, this is it right here. Show them up.
Yeah, this is the Moringa seed. This is the Moringa seed. So, and the oil is produced from it. So this is like a 100 cold press Moringa, so it comes out with the oil in it.
Wow. Amazing.
Right? Yeah, man. So thank you very much, and I appreciate it. So check us out.
Blessings.
We're on social media also. That is Pajint, P-A-T-J-I-N-T, both for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Those are the handles that you can use. P-A-T-J-I-N-T. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Respect. escovitch fish. Oh, this one got some onion, some carrots. This is just a day of just strictly Jamaica, you know. Just everything Jamaica. And we have to explore. This is actually my first time, and well, I'm a full joy already. I'm just ready. Look on the festival, man. Now we have to take a prep soup way down in the kitchen. I'm back at the kitchen. Catch a little of this.
Alright, so everyone, welcome to DENBIGH. We have a lot of exhibitors here. One of the exhibitors is Melbourne Welfare Services. So we assist people locally with their documents, correction of their birth certificates, if they need to incorporate a company, register a business, if you also need documents overseas, such as you need your criminal dispositions, you need your FBI reports. We are located at 38 Constant Spring Road, Kingston 10. We are right across from Savannah Mar Plaza. You're more than welcome to come. You can call us at 876-618-1543. I had to support Yardlife. I absolutely love him. I watch him. Let's support this young man and let's watch all the videos to the end so he may earn his coins. All right, bless up Jamaica.
Respect.
Any flavor? Ginger, lime. Big up, man. Love big up. Me not big them up. Big, I just big me up. Come here, so. What that man doing, yo? Look at him. 15 mils a quarter, right that way.
See there?
Hot and spicy, very, very nice.
See?
Come in here, DENBIGH show ground.
Donald Green. See there? When you want chicken, link for the green.
Anytime.
Yes, man.
Big up, man. Vervain field, 8 carriers.
Which part Vervain field?
Clarendon, like I got Milk River.
Oh, yeah. So you say you got to do there sell chicken?
Every time, man. But
So-
inside Garvey School.
All right. So them a come get some of them good chicken.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Big
yes.
up.
Nice. Oh, that's much per quart? Or a pound? 4,000 a pound. Nice. Real jerkin. What type of wood is this?
Sweetwood.
A sweet wood. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, man, I can cover him up. And the Ramoon.
Yeah.
Oh, mama think a medicine alone that good for?
Oh, yeah.
For jerkin also?
Yeah.
Oh, cover him up there, cover him up. Oh, yes. Cover him up. Wow. Oh. Super.
Oh, see that? No scars, no scars.
No sc- Wow.
From when you put it on. Early this morning. Early this morning. Yeah.
Wow.
Want to see?
Amazing. Oh, yeah, get a touch of it. Oh, you mean, Michael, man? Oh, the first touch that for the day.
First touching on me alone can't eat this. Share it. So we're
What's him?
bread.
Oh, yeah. This is it. Amazing.
How many seeds it? Huh? How many seeds him?
Oh, wow.
So this is. We know what we are seeing. We know in blame skeleton. We know blame skeleton. We ground seed.
Oh, God.
Anytime you beat it, the entire blame ground seed. The entire blame it, you don't get no this. You know, this a pork iron. If you want to drink 200 pounds of pork, you need about 15 pounds of skeleton. So you cut up the skeleton and rub it up. And you put it in and put it on the wall. So you know, no water, no nothing.
Yeah.
Oh,
What
wow.
about garlic and pepper?
Yeah, man.
I know, what do you think? How much jerk season the pan is? That's all. That's all.
And that make from the coconut.
Oh,
Yeah,
goody?
No, yeah, no, that make from the coconut.
Oh, okay.
The other ones them are the gold make them.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
When you plant, you can't talk.
Yeah, man, and thing. So them are natural products, bangles, necklace, and bracelets. You know? Yeah. And we have the natural soaps to the skin and the body. We have oils and also, yeah, man, you can check them in. Rosemary, king of the forest. Yeah, coconut. Yeah. Yeah, man. We have Soursop too, and turmeric. Yeah, man. And we have pain oil. Yeah, so if you're feeling pain, you don't know, you can make the link. Same way. We have rosemary oil. Yeah, we have rooted oil, castor oil. We have single Bible oil. Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Wow.
And we have the rosemary.
Soap.
No, this is a shampoo bar.
Oh, shampoo bar.
Yeah, man. Natural, you know. And we have the conditioner too. Conditioner bar, same way.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Amazing. And all of these
And we have
are
relaxer. We have what do you call it now? These are lip balm. Yeah, for the lips. Yeah. And we have inhalers for sinus, relax and focus. Yeah. Yeah, man. So natural vibration, you know.
So you have what them call it, the donkey eyeball?
Yeah, man, donkey eyeball. Yeah, man. Donkey eyeball, the cocoon, same way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Our side.
Our size.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Lucky seeds, same way, and them.
What about what?
Yes, yeah, man, bless it up. And then we have a seed that we call it rock seed, rock nut, you know. Look like stone.
Oh,
so
yeah. But it's actually seed.
A seed, yeah, man.
Oh.
You see it?
And these are the calabash here.
Yeah, calabash same, yeah. You know, you can put in your seeds, whatever you want to put in them, you know.
Nice.
On your table, or, you know, make the
Natural
thing
way,
looking,
man.
yeah, man.
How them find it?
You can see the natural products them. You can see the number where you can contact, same way, yeah. Yeah, man, it depends on most of the social media vibes. Some Kofa Rising Roots, yeah.
Natural.
Yeah, man, same way, for real.
Manners and respect.
Yes, sir. That's the part, bless you, sir.
So these are some Irish plants right here, as you can see. And these look like a sawdust. I'm actually in some sawdust. Oh, amazing. And look how the Irish them fat, man. Super fat Irish. I'm not sure what is this right here. You know what? What's this? Oh, these are cotton seed. Oh. Oh, wow. These are actually cotton seed.
Alright, so we are Smith Some Cream and we design lactose-free rum creams. Now today we have 3 or 4 flavors on display. We have our vanilla, our butterscotch and our coffee flavors. And as I said, all lactose free, multi-award winning, from the Observer Food Awards for being the best new food product on the island to being the JMEA's best emerging manufacturer. And we use locally sourced raw materials to create all our products. Right, so you can come on down and try a bottle.
Hi, we're Uncle Nees. We're here at DENBIGH. We specialize in traditional old-time Jamaican pastries.
Hey Fred, we can't get them a rundown for you, man. So naturally, a yard we call these in the white wrapper, we call them a staggerback. A lot of people don't know, say we call them a staggerback in the old time days. And also the police button and some, what you call this again? A greater cake?
Yeah, greater cake.
Oh yeah. And some tambourine there. Buster, yeah, Buster are the correct name, but we call them staggerback. All the people don't know them name there. And we have some natural tambourine here, so sweet tambourine with some sugar upon them and thing. Oh yeah, some coconut drops, some gizzada, amazing stuff. What is bulla? Oh, peanut cake. Oh yeah, ginger bulla. Oh, what's the pronunciation again? Uncle Nees. Nice, nice. Oh, Asham. Oh yeah, yeah man. Here some people not see this, and Asham there. Amazing. And them also have some stuff from Paradise Blends, some ginger powder, some turmeric powder, some moringa leaf. Amazing stuff. Pimento there, cinnamon, crazy amount of stuff. Yeah man, Jackass gone. That's the vibe. Oh yeah. Nerves and back. Yeah.
You taste that one already? You taste that one there? Oh yeah, I'm going to take a shot of that one there in here. This is for the piston. Yes. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. For the piston. Yeah. For the, yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Take your time. I don't want to real.
What are they drink?
See it here, son. Nerves up back. Roots.
Nerves and back. Yes, yeah, that's it.
They get one you see them one on the work, but that one that today make it too stiff.
Jamaica #1 food reviewer.
So you have to ask about the favorite product and what we're doing. I'm Indy McClymont Lafayette. I'm a part of the planning committee for the Moko Homecoming. We are putting on the first ever pear festival in Jamaica that will be in Moko on October 10, right? So now we are just spreading the word and sharing. We want to have all sorts of creative pear dishes, pear ice cream, bulla and pear ice cream, and the community is going to be coming out with surprises, celebrity chefs cooking up pear in all sorts of manner. And you can just come and buy pear seedling or whatever if you're a pear lover. So this is, we just, putting out the word. Yeah.
Amazing. And everything, give me a rundown on some of the stuff them there, sir.
So we're showcasing like some of the things we want people to be displaying, but creative ways. So we have avocado oil over there. And of course we have our promotional items. That is it. The challenge is how creatively can you use pear, so that's what we want, because we want it to be part of a broader industry. The Ministry of Agriculture has a policy now encouraging people, because if you ever know how much for pear oil in overseas, what heap of money, and we can go it here and market, so this is a part of that push for us to use our own resources that we have to generate income for Jamaicans.
Alright, don't go out there. So you see this, guys?
This is the dragon fruit.
This is the dragon fruit, and I have a first time I'm gonna try the dragon fruit. Alright, let's go.
Yo, that car is so keen already.
Honestly,
for the first time, what would I say the experience?
for the first, alright. It's not sweet, it's not fresh. It's in between, it's balanced. Any diabetic patient can have this, honestly. It's lovely. Just mild, just melt away.
What about the texture?
The texture is soft, moist, just melt away.
Yeah, nobody eat the skin.
No skin eating.
Alright, why time to try that out? So my first time I'm gonna try dragon fruit. It's actually my first time trying dragon fruit, and we're going at it right now. When I this store my color, so I can try it for myself. Oh yeah. First time trying it, I will love it. For real. First time trying it, I will actually love it. It's actually like it doesn't taste at all. Super fresh. You're getting that little mild, that grainy texture from the seeds, but the seeds them actually just pop. Like you can just chew them and them just pop. Oh wow. I make more red, sir. Woo! Yeah man, first time I try dragon fruit. Not bad to be honest. Would I eat it all the time? And worse on a hot day, can actually see myself eating this on a hot day. Cause it just somehow it just have that calm, cool vibe toward it, that texture, that grainy little texture from the seeds and everything, and then it's soft also. That's a vibe. Yeah man.
Yeah. You use it, put it with the
This is what?
Anata, and you put it in a garlic bag, and you get a little oil, and then you put it in a oily bag, and then you fry out, and then the anata, see just nice, colored with your meat, you grate a coconut and boil it down and put it in there, it's saltfish, and you put it on your chicken, so delicious. Champion farmer from Niagara.
Wow. Blessings. Peace and love, mother. Touch me, man. Peace and love.
Those them after this thing here, Anata.
Anata Bay,
Yeah.
so this was name.
On the coast of St. Mary.
On the coast of St. Mary.
Yeah, because they said this plant used to flourish all over that side, so they call it town Anata Bay.
Yes.
You can't see a plant.
Yeah. It's very scarce.
Yeah, but my great grandmother used to cook with it.
Yeah.
Like she used it like curry.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I tell you, say you can put in a
but
garlic bag.
She have a style where she tighten a bag.
Yes,
Yeah.
but you can put in a garlic bag.
So them tighten the bag and put a little oil in it and garlic in it.
Yeah, and just dip it.
And then
The color, and she the color.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's that strong.
Yes.
Okay.
But you can put it up in a jar.
Yes.
And when you're ready, you use it.
Just like a teaspoon.
They say it have a kind of poison in it, so you can't use much of it.
Oh.
No, this is well ripe. This is well ripe. You see how they open up?
Yeah, man.
They feed.
Yeah.
Open up and feed.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what the story I know about Anata.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's about Anata Bay.
Anata.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and you just dip it in the
Oil.
yeah, like your fried chicken.
Just like the curry.
Yeah.
A bit better than.
You
Oh.
see this? You can fry out the seed, and when you get brown, you just take out it.
Yeah.
You don't spoon.
But you don't leave it in the oil.
In the oil.
If
You
get
take
the
it
color,
out.
You take it out and you can put it up and use again.
Yeah.
And you have your chicken, you do if you ever just
Yeah, man,
nice.
sound very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, I like that.
Yeah. You have in Batwing.
Batwing? What's one good for?
Gin, cold bush.
What batwing good for? Is a cold bush?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And you have Soursop leaf And you have fennel. See fennel here. Which one? See there, fennel. When the baby have gripe, they boil it and give. But them are young people don't know them.
So this is
fennel.
Fennel.
Fennel, yes.
Oh yeah. So when the baby gripe, this is it.
You can't drink it.
Big people
Your
too.
Stomach. Yeah. Yeah. And you have this.
Dandelion.
Dandelion.
Oh yeah.
You have fennel seed.
So it's the same from the
Yes, I see this. You
the
have
seed.
guava.
Yeah.
Tobacco.
Yeah. That you like.
Yeah,
That you like see.
You have dark blood.
Oh yeah, the dark blood. Amazing for women with period pain. Yeah.
And you have
Custard apple leaf.
custard apple leaf.
What is one good for?
Gin. Gin is good for you.
Very good for.
Sugar.
So
Yeah.
Oh.
And you have banabis. Peas.
Oh, Banabis peas.
Banabis.
Banabis peas. Okay,
That's how
naturally.
you cook, yeah.
We have the
And
comfrey
you
here.
have comfrey.
Yeah, what's some of the benefits to comfrey?
Gin. Your stomach problem.
Stomach problem, stomach issues. Oh yeah.
And you have major bitter.
Bitter bark, bitterwood bark.
Yeah, major bitter. Baby.
Yeah.
When baby are tea. Yeah. I see fennel again. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I
So now
see
quite good amount of stuff. Rosemary.
rosemary.
Have a soursop leaf.
And you have soursop leaf.
Oh yeah. Me always a drink soursop leaf. What good for?
No, for your nerves.
And herbs?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is your major bitter.
Major bitter.
When them baby them are teed. Major bitter. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and see you have one. When the baby them worm, summer can chop.
What's this?
Summer can chop.
What is one good for now?
When worm,
Oh.
baby them.
Oh, wormwood. Wormwood.
And see them here, summer can chop.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what you boil? The seed?
Yeah, leaf.
The leaf
But
itself.
But I see this. Summer can.
Nice. And we see we have the vervain here.
Yeah.
But I make you seed and drop out of
No,
this.
our man did a look bad. Yeah, and you have spinach.
And the spinach.
Yeah.
Nice. I think I should have sure things say callaloo there.
You make green juice.
Oh yeah. Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Please respect man.
Yeah.
Respect.
Alright, so the product is sweet potato chips. We have it in barbecue and lightly salted. It has 5 nutritious facts. So it's rich in vitamin A, good source of fibers, naturally rich in potassium, packed with antioxidant, and also 5 source of energy. It is locally grown in Clarendon. Here, the factory is over Paisley Avenue in Palmer's Cross. Ansudi, yes. So this is the original sweet potato. From the ground, this is the potato to the package. Locally grown, right here in Clarendon. Yes. So we have a new one coming out. It's spicy. Yes. And also you can find them in the major supermarkets in the corporate area, such as Progressive. What is it again? What do I want to name? Sushan. Yes, and it's also here in Clarendon over Millennium Mall at the pharmacy. So yes, you can get it there. It was nominated for the best new food in the Jamaica Observer Food Award. Yes. Yes, man. The page not load. But you can find her on Instagram.
Alright, so we're going to take a sample. We're going to take a sample of the this is a spicy, right?
No, barbecue.
Oh, barbecue. Oh, no, the spicy coming. Oh, nice. Original. Oh, and these are all locally grown sweet potatoes right here. So in a Clarendon. Yeah, man. See a look there. Oh yeah, sweet potato. Nice. Respect.
This is 70% calories. If you're on the healthier side, that one.
70% calories. So it's for so people who want to go the healthier way. Choose this one. This is the original, you say. I'm gonna try some sweet potato chips right now. First time trying sweet potato chips, and this brand is Ansudi. May I pronounce it correct, right? on Sudi. On Sudi. Hopefully Mike can pick me up. But I don't know the vibe. This is the original. First bite into this, it just reminds me of breadfruit chips, to be honest. The texture, right, that crispiness, just remind me of breadfruit chips. Oh yeah, while chewing into that, you just start tasting that sweetness just start pop up you know. Oh yeah, it's cool if you show them the ball. Can I show them the ball and show? Oh yeah, on Sudi. Let's look on that. 70% calories. Oh, you see when the saliva start mixed with start get that soft, you start taste that sweetness. Oh yeah. Oh, one try the barbecue now, right? Oh, simple as that. That just melt down. And the texture, as I said, just remind me of breadfruit chips. The first time I just bite into that, it's just super crispy. I remember these fresh, you know, because them carry the fresh thing them come for your taste. You know? And this is a barbecue. And them have spicy coming, but I could try this barbecue. Oh, flavor. Oh, I can try one more of that, please. Ooh. Oh, this is a barbecue. On Sudi. And you can find this in stores like General Food, La Sushan. All of progressive them. Oh, the shoppers fear them there. Oh, yo, and look at this. Let's look on this. Look on the seasoning on this man. Oh, hopefully Mike can pick me up. My mic they're close to my mouth, but Oh yeah. Yeah, somebody will have flavor.
Yes, definitely.
Oh, yeah man. That's the vibe. On Sudi. See Mike now. Crazy vibe. And these are locally grown sweet potatoes. I did a sweet potato video. Hopefully you know, check it out from in St. Mary. Big up Jamar, anyway, there, big farmer. And see ya, we're there again with more sweet potato locally grown. And it go right from the ground to in the bag with the chips. Oh my god. Amazing. Yeah man. Mikey boss, I try it. You know, that barbecue is wicked and I'm actually coming with the spicy soon. I don't know how long they're going to take to come out with the spice. But I like spicy product. This barbecue have a slight spice to it also. So it's not just super sweet. I know barbecue is tend for them on the sweet side, but this have a slight little spice to it. But the seasoning is amazing. Michael, yeah?
Yeah. It's going to take the market. It's good. It's good.
Oh my God, Father Bailey. Father Bailey there I would do today. Amazing vibe in the place. What's one that's the barbecue? Yo, the flavor kick, man.
Amazing. Spicy.
Slightly. Yeah, but the sweetness and the seasoning what they on it. The seasoning actually they on it, bro.
It's amazing, but I'm not so much a big consumer as my brother. You know what I mean?
Yeah, leave me alone, man. Yo, food for eat, man. Yard life. Blessings. On Sudi. Let's look out for the spicy one coming. Yeah, man.
person who did this need a Grammy. This person deserves a Grammy that did this. No joke. Some good work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Turmeric and pineapple. Crazy vibes. We have Foodland now. It's a crazy vibe here and the music is loud. Probably get copyright. Although you don't know. Is that what you call it? I'm revival mix. But I don't know the vibe. Yeah, man. Super cool and refreshing. That's the vibe here at DENBIGH for the first time on the final day. Vibes. Yeah, man.
Okay, hi, my name is Tasha Gay, Tasha Fears. I'm with Cannabis 876 and we sell, let me correct that for the YouTube, edit that part there, we sell herbal infused products. So everything, instead of doing, you drink it, right? So we have rum creams, we have wines, we have oil for skin, oil for hair, we have rum punches as well. Yeah, you catch when we are set up, so that's a go on right now because we just got on the location. We also have some other things that you can eat if you want. This is a peanut brittle, we have chocolate, and we also have coconut drops. Yes, so you can find us in Kingston at the Kingston Night Market on a Tuesday night. We're there every Tuesday night, right? And if you want us to deliver, we can deliver across the island. We deliver if you're in Kingston and St. Catherine. Otherwise, we'll find you. We'll send it come get you. We deliver also internationally.
Alright, respect. Yeah, man. Alright, naturally. Oh, yeah. Good? Yeah, man. Bless up, bless up. Can I give to me? Ah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah. Thank Let's up. Crazy vibes here in the place. Tons of stuff to show. We don't even get everything, but open our appreciate of the walkthrough. It's a crazy vibe, super blessed. It's hot day here. We can't even complain about the weather. Being like the sun out and things, because probably today I'm ready. It's more cooler, but I'm more chaotic, you know, but crazy vibe here. And we have a sign out. Tons of stuff here to